So guys, welcome back to Playtime Cards with Ione. I haven't done a video in a long time, I know. And I went to 5 and Below and bought like this squishy type thing. It's filled with slime, and I took out the web and I accidentally broke it. And this is the slime. I know it kind of looks webby because I already added a little bit of snow. It's really jiggly slime. So I was thinking, what happens if you put jiggly slime and cloud slime together to make jiggly cloud slime? So I already put a second batch to this, and this is the effect it has. It's really textury, and I kind of like it, but it's not cloud slime. Cloud slime is really webby and like even stringy actually, so it's not the effect I'm getting. It's really stretchy, yes, and it is still really pokey. And if you didn't know, my birthday just passed. I was 9, now I'm 10. Yay! It's okay if you write in the comment section, happy birthday, Ione, thanks about that. But my birthday actually already passed. But I guess thank you for those who commented already and told me happy birthday. Thank you. Anyhow, I am just gonna add more. My third batch. Let's see how it will look on my third batch. Look at that. Whoa. So here's the camera. This is the effect. It's not that cloud slimy. It's too stretchy now. But the effect is really good. The pokiness is not affected still, except it's really watery. So I don't know how I feel about that. Actually, I do. It's, well, terrific and horrible at the same time. Anyhow, fourth batch. Oh my gosh, it's melting. It's melting. Just like snow, it's melting. Well, this snow does never melt. So let's mix it up, mix it up. So this is the fourth batch. It's not that stringy. It's not that stringy. Not that stringy. So it is kind of breaking apart easily, and it was before really clear with all the glitters, and now you can see like white stuff. Let me show you with a closer look. Look at that, glitters and white stuff all over the place. I guess that's how cloud slime is, right? We're gonna add more. I think I added way too much. Okay, this is how much I added. Let's mix it up. And now I'm thinking this was not a good idea, but gotta continue with the experiment, right? Fourth batch. It's getting pinker and pinker. I'm just dumping a lot. Fifth batch. I'm gonna actually just put it all in like that and see if it gets stretchier, stickier, what effect it gives. This is the sixth batch. I'm gonna mix it all and look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so webby. This is the perfect consistency. I just gotta mix it all up, you know? Just don't want any extras, or else it's gonna be ruined. So this is kind of the effect I was going for. I don't know. Is this how cloud slime looks? I forgot how cloud slime looks, but I think that's something like how cloud slime looks. It's really glittery, and now it's really cloudy. The weather forecast in Slimeville is cloudy. Maybe a little bit of snowfall. And since it's pink, it's kind of like a cotton candy cloud. Because like in dawn, you know, like it's pinkish clouds. I think that's how I would describe this. It's really stretchy. And I'm gonna make a swirly. It's a really good swirl. Hallelujah. Anyway, I think that's how cloud slime looks. This is my final cloud slime, but I think I'm gonna make a little adjustment to this. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Just a little, like a dash. So that was like 3 dashes. I'm gonna see what it looks like, So it's kind of breaking apart now, which is probably how cloud slime is. Yes! Yay! It's exactly how I want it. Look at that. It's webby. Yes! A little bit more. That was like 3 dashes again. Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. So it's really light pink. As you can see, it's still stretchy. It feels really different. And I feel like it's kind of bigger. I don't know why. Now I'm going to show you how it looks like when it's stretched. It's cloud slime. So let's see if it's a jiggly chest. Is it still jiggly? If it melts, it's jiggly. So let's make this into an oval. Okay, if it flattens up, it's jiggly slime. Right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. It melted. Do you know what that means? It means it's still jiggly. So this is what happens if you mix jiggly slime with cloud slime. This is the effect you might get. Hallelujah. It's really cloudy in Cloudwell. Snow, most likely. It's so cloudy, even here. Look at that. It's so good. So thank you guys for watching this video, if you did. If you like this video, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell after you subscribe, or if you subscribe and do that after. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.